What's up guys, this is Kaiwan and today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a 3-split collage photo for your Instagram. I've seen a lot of posts like this, and speaking of posts, the latest post that I posted on Instagram was a collage of 3-splitted picture that I took in Cape Town. And I just got a DM from your boy Hesami. He said, "Hey dude, do you make these kind of collage with Photoshop and how?" So I decided to make a tutorial about, since I have the whole setup ready. I was like, why not? Let's do it. Alright, so here we are in Photoshop, guys. So I posted this picture on my Instagram. And by the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure to check out. It's K1. Anyway, so to do this trick, I screenshotted one of the pictures that was already on Instagram with this kind of collage. And then what I did, if you don't have this roller here, this thing, you go Command R and it will appear here. So you will take one roller and you will put it exactly here, and then another one and you will put exactly here. When you take this screenshot, make sure the ratio is 4:5, which is the best quality for Instagram. I mean, you can literally go to my last picture that I posted and you can take a screenshot of it, and then you can do the same thing that I'm doing right now. And then all you have to do is just upload 3 of your pictures. So now we have 3 pictures. All we have to do is to go to the main one and then grab one by one and then resize each picture. For example, I want this to be in the middle. Let's say I want this to be on the top picture, like here. And let's say you're fine with this and you want to crop it from here. Click OK. And then go to rectangular marquee tool, and then from here you can add a layer mask, and then Command I to invert that. So now you have the picture replaced. So one down, we have 2 more left. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go to the bottom, let's say, flip it a little bit like that, and do the same thing. And then add a layer mask, and then Command I to invert the layer mask only to the bottom part. And then we have the last one, which is this photo. Drag it. See which position that you will be the most happy with. In my case, I would go here. And now we have to cut from the top and bottom. Add the layer mask, Command I again. And from here, we can just brush it with black. And you're good to go. Hey guys, this is K1 in the editing room. I just noticed that I didn't mention one really important thing. So we're gonna zoom here, we're gonna zoom in, and you can see that this linked icon between the layer mask and the photo, this is really important. So every time you want to move your pictures from here, you need to uncheck that so you can move the photo freely. So this is really important to know, and to play around with your photo to make it even bigger, to somehow do different position with it. Let's get back to the video. So yeah guys, this is how I created my collage photo for Instagram. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to support my channel, please go to my store where you can find a lot of preset packs, LUTs, and overlay. KaiwanProduction.com. The link will be in the description. And I'll see you in the next one.